Hey, Dr. Morris, this is Zach from 6x6 Media out of Paris, Texas. I called and talked to your front desk the other day and told them I was going to be shooting this video over to you to take a look at. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, now why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, a lot of times in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who to trust. So I found by giving people a 3-step plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and asking me to help. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business gain new clients, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take these steps and apply them yourself, I'm fine with that too. I really enjoy just being able to help out some local businesses. So now let me show you these 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is content. And Google considers anything on your home page that can be highlighted as content. They want to see at least 1,500 words worth of content on your home page and 500 to 750 words worth of content on any back pages and service pages. I want to jump over to this tool that I have called SEO Quake, and I've done a search for your website. You can actually download this tool and use it for free yourself, as a matter of fact. But y'all are running about 450 words worth of content on your home page. So you're pretty short of that 1,500 goal, but with time and effort, you can definitely ramp that up and get it to where it needs to be. And another thing is you want this content to be dense in keywords that pertain to your industry and your location. With that being said, I did a search for one of those keywords. I just did Vet, Tyler, Texas, and the #1 position is currently held by Tyler Vet Center. We'll go take a look at their website. So you can see they got a good bit of content on here themselves. And we're going to go take a look at SEO Quake, and they're actually a little over 2,000 words. So there's definitely some catching up to do there, but once again, that can easily be done just with a little bit of time and effort. Now we're going to jump into keywords and website traffic, and this is how I figured out that y'all have a lot more opportunity in your area than what's being seized at the moment. So right here on this tool that I have called Ahrefs, it did a website analysis, and y'all are only bringing in 41 people a month to your website, whereas Tyler Vet Center is bringing in 536. And I know not everybody that goes to your webpage is going to turn into a client, but if even 20% of them did, you're looking at a little over 100 new people coming through your front door in that month. But the next thing we're going to jump into are going to be the keywords, and you want to rank for generic keywords, because whenever you have someone that doesn't know who they're going to use for a vet, they're going to type in a generic keyword and most likely pick whoever's at the top of Google to go visit and take their animal to for its health services. So right here, you're actually trying to rank for some generic keywords, but you need to get into position #1 for all of these. That's what's going to put you at the top of that page. So like right here, Vet, Tyler, Texas, it's being searched 250 times a month, but you're in position 12 for it, so it's only bringing you 4 people a month to your website. That's the best example of a generic keyword that ranks high that I can even come up with. But right here, you can see Vet, Tyler, Texas. Once again, 250 search volume. They're ranking #1 for it. That's bringing them 83 traffic a month. So these 2 keywords right here, actually all 3 of these are pretty heavy hitters. They're going to bring you a lot of traffic if you can just get into the #1 spot like what they've done. The second thing I want to jump into are going to be citations in the Google Map Pack. So you can see right here, they're also in the first position in the Google Map Pack, and this is getting them double visibility whenever someone searches for a vet in Tyler, Texas. They're seeing them here, and they're seeing them again here. So that just ups their chances of bringing more people to their clinic. But going back to the Google Map Pack, you get in this position through what are called citations, and that is your name, address, and phone number being put into different indexes all throughout the web, such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, YouTube, so on and so forth, as well as local indexes, so you can say relative to your area. I did a quick search for both yours and their citations. So we're going to go Tyler Vet Center. So they have 59 citations right now, and y'all have 38. So you're not too far off of their number, but really whenever it comes to citations, I like to get at least 200 to 300 citations. That way nobody's going to be able to catch up to you, because unless someone's using a service such as the one that I provide, they're not going to take the time to go find all of those citations and just ensure that they're in that number one spot. But that being said, I want to jump into the third thing that I want to talk about today, and that's going to be backlinks. So a backlink is essentially where you have a website we'll call website A that has a link embedded to it, pushing it to another website that we'll call website B. And by doing that, website B is gaining more authority in Google's eyes because they're winning kind of what you would consider a popularity contest. So the more websites that refer to your page, the more popular you're going to be and the more authority you're going to have from Google. And we're going to take a look at both of y'all's backlink profiles. So I have you on this side and the Tyler Vet Center on this side. So you have your trust flow and your citation flow. You want this ratio to be a 1-to-1, but right now your trust flow is a 0. So that's not good at all. That's not giving you any authority whatsoever because you don't even have a ratio to compare right here. Whereas over here, they're not at that 1-to-1, but they're at a 2-to-1 with a 10 trust flow and a 20 citation flow. And this is another thing that's pushing them to the top is the fact that they have decent backlinks, but this is something that could definitely be beat because that's a low trust flow and they really don't have that many citations. So we could definitely get that 1-to-1 ratio with some time and effort and just doing some searching for good backlinks in the area. But that being said, I want to touch on the 3 things that we talked about here today. Number 1 was content, so 1,500 words on the home page and 500 to 750 words on any back pages and service pages. Number 2 were citations in the Google Map Pack. You want 200 to 300 citations to rank number 1 in that Google Map Pack and get that double visibility going. Number 3 were those backlinks. You want that 1-to-1 ratio, and you want to have good, strong backlinks that are giving you more authority from Google and just start winning that popularity contest for your area. That being said, I hope you like what you heard here today. Feel free to reach out to me at 903-715-7876. Once again, my name is Zach. I'd like to sit down and just talk to y'all kind of about what your goals are moving forward. Maybe you're looking to expand right now, take on a few more clients, whatever it may be. I know I can definitely help you out with it, and I'd be really interested in just sitting down to get to know y'all a little bit better. But that being said, I hope you like what you heard today and just reach out to me whenever you get a chance. Thank you for your time, Dr. Morris. Have a good day. Bye.